How would it look like being guided by a smart asset management system, for example, in doing inspections without containing prior knowledge? Our asset management system in augmented reality manages all assets, determines your route in the building, and helps you with the inspection. Consider it as your own asset assistant. The indoor positioning system detects the live position of the user using the locations of the position markers. The system can therefore also be used in locations without any internet connection. Subsequently, the route will be calculated and the inspector is guided to the selected location. As soon as the user arrives, the map with the located assets will be displayed. The user can rate the assets on, for example, quality, cleanliness, or defects. This rating is linked to the specific object in the database and can be easily approached in the future. A picture can be added to the object for a more specific clarification of the defect, missing item, or other shortcoming. The notification will be real-time updated in the database. Hence, immediate action can be taken in ordering parts or in planning the repair. AR Asset Management. Locate, rate, done.